What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the G35. For today's video, I thought I would give y'all a little up-to-date and a review on the side markers that I have on my G35 sedan. Now, they are the Sequential LED side markers. Got them from VQ Plug. If you haven't checked them out, check them out. Use the promo code the G35 fan 87 to get yourself a discount towards your purchase. Now, not going off topic, but I thought I'd do another video coming up soon on the whole VQ plugs company and their sequential headlights, because I've been getting a lot of feedback and comments on that video with a lot of people that are not happy. So yeah, we're gonna have to discuss that one, but I'll do a review on the headlights as well. But I thought I'd do a review on the side markers because I actually got some smoke lens sequential side markers that I'm gonna go ahead and install. But I'm not gonna show you how to install them and all that because I already have a video on that. If y'all want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description so y'all can see how to do it. Real simple, guys, really simple. And I give y'all my feedback as far as how everything is. But now that I've had them for a little while, I thought I'd give y'all a little up to date how I like them and let you know if they're still working. But yeah, today's video is I'm gonna just pretty much install the smoke ones and see how they look on the car, being that the whole setup I have on my car is like the combination of the matted black and the dark blue, which is the color of my car. So excited to see what they look like. I've heard they're pretty bright, even though that the lens is smoked. But yeah, we're gonna see how everything goes. But guys, like always, man, y'all already know, been talking too much, so let's get the video started. So as you can see, they're still fully bright. Haven't had any issues with any of the LEDs going out. They complement the headlights pretty well, and this one looks pretty good. Now, when I washed the car, I hadn't had any issues with any water getting inside. Haven't had any issues of condensation or anything like that. The one thing I did have an issue with, but it was on my fault. The connection wasn't properly secure for the turn signal. So other than that, I mean, they're still looking good. I mean, you can see they're bright at night. They really stand out. So I'm very happy with the side markers. But yeah, let's put on the turn signals and show you what they look like. Alright, still looking good. Like I said, they complement the headlights very well. But yeah, all in all, guys, the clear lens, they're really bright, and I like the way they look. So if you're thinking about getting the clear ones, I mean, that's what they look like. Looks pretty good. So now let's install the smoke one. Alright, guys, so install the smoke one. There you go. That's the smoke one. And this is the clear one. Let me know which one y'all like better, the clear one or the smoked one. And that's what it looks like when it's off. Alright, guys, finished wiring up the other side marker, got everything tied in. Had to change my shirt because I was sweating up a storm in that other shirt. Got all dirty because had to make everything look nice, and that way nothing gets caught up in the tire. But yeah, I'm loving the way the smoke lens look. It's complementing the car a lot better than the clear lens. I'm still gonna keep the clear lens just in case, but for the moment, I'm gonna go ahead and stay with the smoked ones. That being said, guys, let me give you my final thoughts and my final opinion and review on these sequential side markers. Like I mentioned, I've owned them for like 4 months. The clear ones hadn't had any issue. Got a lot of compliments, and it's a pretty cool feature to have it tied into the turn signal and have that modern look. Now that I have the smoke lens, it looks a lot better. But whether you get the clear ones or the smoke ones, I think this is a great option, and something that you need to do to your sedan. The thing that I did hate about them is, that little metal piece that you have to customize to fit in the bracket. But other than that, man, it fits flushed and perfect. Um, but I would say go ahead and get these. My personal experience after having them, they're bright, they look modern, they're pretty dope. And it's something that us sedan guys don't really get the option to have when it comes to aftermarket parts. I think they had something like this already for the coupe. I don't know about the sequential part. You'd have to customize that. But before, they just had the LED side markers, and the sedans, they didn't have that option. So it's pretty cool to have that option. But yeah, that pretty much concludes this video, guys. I'm freaking baking like a potato in an oven, so I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, like always, man, put that thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think, and we'll do another review on another product, so stay tuned. Peace.